In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a CapCut video to Google Drive step by step using CapCut PC and the Google Drive web upload method. This is a simple workflow if you want to back up your edits, share a project with a client, or save your finished video to the cloud so you can access it anywhere. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Let's get started. First, open your finished project in CapCut PC. I'm using CapCut PC version 8.9 here, but this process is very similar in other desktop versions too. Once your project is open, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the export button. This is where you'll create the final video file that you can upload to Google Drive. Now you'll see your export settings. The most important thing here is to choose a target export folder that you can find easily later. A great option is your desktop because it's simple to locate and quick to access. You can also choose a different folder if you already have a dedicated videos or exports folder on your computer. The key is to remember where the file is being saved. Next, set your resolution. If you want a standard high quality upload, 1080p is a great choice. If your project was edited in higher quality and you want the best possible output, you can choose 4K instead. Just keep in mind that higher resolution files will usually be larger, so they may take a little longer to upload to Google Drive. After that, make sure the format is set correctly. CapCut typically gives you options like MP4 or MOV, and MP4 is usually the most convenient choice for most users. It's widely supported, easy to upload, and works well for sharing and storage. Once everything looks right, click Export and let CapCut render the video. Depending on the length and quality of your project, this part may take a few minutes. When the export is finished, CapCut will save the final video file directly to the folder you selected. At this point, your CapCut video is now ready to move into Google Drive. Now open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log into the Google account where you want to store the video. Make sure you're using the right account before uploading, especially if you have multiple Google accounts. This avoids confusion later when you're trying to find the file. Once you're inside Google Drive, look to the upper left corner and click the plus new button. A menu will appear, and from there, you want to select File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload a video file from your computer rather than create a new document or folder. A file browser window will open. Now go to the location where you saved your exported CapCut video. If you exported it to your desktop, it should be easy to spot. Click on the video file once to select it, then click Open to begin the upload process. Google Drive will now start uploading your video. If the file is large, especially if you chose 4K or a long export, you may need to wait a little while. You'll see the upload progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. Just let it finish completely. When the status shows upload complete, that means your CapCut video has successfully been transferred to Google Drive. And that's it. You've now exported a video from CapCut PC and uploaded it to Google Drive for safe storage, sharing, or backup. This is one of the easiest ways to keep your content organized and accessible from anywhere. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.